you have to be courageous enough to discuss the things with us so that we can find a solution. Then and where a solution cannot be found, we have to sit together to find out a fruitful solution, and then we can act upon. So we will be giving you all some opportunities to speak, but the problems which had come to me, I have come forward with all the solutions which I think should be from my side. So this presentation of eve teasing, this word must be known to you all, but I should explain it to you all a bit because we don't have much time today. Madam has also to give her presentation on menstrual hygiene. Eve teasing, this word Eve came from the name of a lady, the first lady. ठीक है, ये नाम एक लेडी से आया, ईव. ओके, नाउ दिस, she was a single woman, but now it is representing the entire women fraternity. सिर्फ women की और girls सबके लिए यूज होता है. And teasing means that word is not having that much weightage. It simply means harmless comments or molestation. थोड़ा harassment है, but now we cannot take it in that way. Now eve teasing is being known as street harassment or sexual harassment. So now since you all are growing up and developing some ideas about relationship and respect, so you need to know how you have to deal with this concept of eve teasing, how you should handle and overcome it, and what are the steps you need to take to the challenging situations which you need to face by your own effort, because we won't be there, the parents won't be there with you all the time, we teachers won't be there with you all the time. तो क्या करना है, तुम लोगों को खुद सूझबूझ से वो काम करना है. So theoretical it is very easy, I'll be demonstrating, means I'll be explaining, but try to implement it, and I think it will be helpful to you all in some way or the other. So got the meaning of eve teasing, but now it is known as street harassment or sexual harassment. So it is हाँ एकदम एक crime है. और children, girls who are not able to share it with anyone, they are going into mental depression. That is why this session. वो लोग सोचते हैं, आप लोग क्या सोचते हो, अरे ये बताएंगे किसी को तो वो जो सुनेंगे वो सोचेंगे हम गलत हैं, तो ये क्यों बोलना, चुपचाप बर्दाश्त करते रहते हो. लेकिन एक स्टेज ऐसा आता है, वो तुम्हारे फिजिकल हेल्थ में, मेंटल हेल्थ में, तुम्हारी स्टडीज में, सारी चीज में वो तुम्हारा रिफ्लेक्शन आता है किसके वजह से ये हो रहा है. सो यू शुड नॉट shy away from sharing it with your elders, you should share it. So let us start with the presentation now. Riddhi ma'am, I will need your help now. So first, can you see some images of eve teasing? See the boy whistling, and you can see how the boy, the hand is reflecting, means someone, it should be from the male population. कैसे वो दुपट्टा या कुछ भी खींच रहा है. हाँ, the helpless girl, she is not able to do anything. So you need to act upon it, children. Or in school also such on such large scale not happening, because Bani madam is monitoring everything, but still few things are going on which I have come to know. I will share with you all today. So next slide, Nidhi ma'am, please. So the thing which I explained, the meaning of eve and teasing, the first woman. So now what few reasons. Now see why these things are happening, because this boys or the male members, ऐसा नहीं है, all of us have faced it in our lives. तुम लोगों को लगेगा जो we are now grown up, we are now at this age, but in our lives at a certain stage of our life we have even faced such things and we can relate it with ourselves. So most of you sitting over here must have faced in some way or the other. ये कोई भी नहीं बोल सकते हो मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं है, कभी नहीं होगा, होगा या हो सकता है. इसलिए इस चीज पर आप लोग को बहुत सीरियस